Hey guys, it's Amber. So I don't really have a good excuse for this other than I was under emotional distress and did some retail therapy. But if you've been at my channel for a while, you know that I cannot resist. Actually, I have for the past year resisted, but it's very hard for me to resist a good e.l.f. 50% off haul. And it's been so long that everything that I wanted was like off the new list, because you know how it always excludes the new items, which makes me crazy, because I'm like, you just came up with something, you do a sale, but I cannot buy the thing on sale. Anyway, so I decided to get some things that are new-ish from e.l.f. I think I might have purchased one thing that was new, but I wanted to show you guys what I got on the sale, so don't judge me, just join me, right? You don't have to buy anything, just live vicariously through me. So if you aren't already, here's my social media. Subscribe if you'd like. Let's get into it. So they sent it in a box this time. There's not like a crazy amount of stuff. Sometimes they send it in a bag, but they did send me the box. So the first thing is funny. I actually watched these on, I think it was a WTF that Tati, Glam Life Guru, did. I know I can use Scotch tape, but I like that these were like thinner. And Scotch tape always seems to like not, it's like either too sticky or I don't know. I just thought these looked nice and it was $2 and so it was like $1, 50% off. So I got these little line and define eye tapes so you can just put them on the side. You just peel them off and they're supposed to be the right amount of sticky so they don't rip your skin off. So yeah. I also, this is just like housekeeping, I got some more pencil sharpeners. I couldn't find mine, ordered this one, found mine, now I have extras. Okay. Not very exciting so far. Moving on. All right, next is a new-ish palette. This is the e.l.f. Velvet Touch. This is in Island Breeze. Ooh, so very pretty compact. Stepping it up a little, e.l.f. So it has a little plastic covering in here. Here's what the palette looks like. Ooh, wow, they are very creamy. The light. Oh my gosh, these are like creamy shadows. I'll show you before I swatch them all. They have this really beautiful like basket weave texture, and then you can see like how creamy they are. I thought this kind of gold was like a fun green gold, like that's just so unusual, and a brown. So usually when I use cream eyeshadows, I just use like one. So this is a whole palette of them, and they definitely are velvety. It's light like a powder but melts into the skin like a cream and allows you to build customizable color from sheer to bold. So you can use a brush or your finger. That is awesome. So yay. Next this is the Sculpting Silk eyeshadow. I thought this was like a perfect everyday look, and look how nice this is for traveling, like sleek packaging. So here are the colors. So they've got the two mattes here and here, light and dark, and then a middle shade that's got more of the shimmer. I think this would be beautiful because you could do such an easy eye look. Just like pop the dark and the light, kind of smoke it out, put that on the lid. Like really, really, really simple. I want to do another like quick makeup look, so maybe I will use that and do something like that. All right, next, I've heard so many people rave about this and I've yet to try it. This is the e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator, and I just got the classic brown one because I heard that it's more exfoliating than the other ones. Oh, it doesn't look like it has as many beads as it used to. It used to be like straight up brown, and now it's more clear with brown chunks. I wonder if they've lessened the amount of beads in it. I don't know. But anyway, I am excited to try this out, see how it works. Alright, I just got a couple of more things. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. I already have this foundation in the shade lighter than this. So I have it in Porcelain, but they changed the shade name, so this is the next shade down. Because as summer comes, I'm gonna start tanning up a little more, so I'll swatch these for you. So here's Porcelain. That's the shade I already owned. So it's just a little bit warmer. Let's try it on the face. Oh yeah, that actually matches me pretty good right now. Because I was noticing that one was being a little light, so I think that'll be perfect. I don't know why I decided to swatch foundation on my arm. It doesn't even ever go on my arm, but I swatched eyeshadow, and eyeshadow goes on my arm more than most people do. So I really like the little Mad for Matte eyeshadow palettes, but I did declutter them, or I gave them to my sister just because I felt like I had so many other options and I had tried them, reviewed them, and I was like, you know what, I'd rather have someone else enjoy these. But I did pick up 2 more. These are ones I haven't tried. So this is Jewel Pop, and this is the Mad for Matte Holy Smokes. So I am really excited for these. I've been using a ton of shimmers lately, but this would be such a good palette to companion with something that's totally shimmery, because you just need those matte shades when you have hooded eyes just to kind of anchor the look. Oh my goodness. All right, I got a fresh arm here. Let's see. So that's just a very, very light highlight color. Wow. And I'll say this and I'll say it again, swatches aren't everything. They don't tell the whole story about how it's going to apply. But I think if something's going to swatch like crap, it's usually it doesn't look very good on the eye. But there are things that are like too pigmented, that they're so pigmented that they're powdery and they like get everywhere. So there's like a happy medium, I guess you could say. That purple wasn't like super bright. Ooh, that's a little chalky. Wow, look at that green. I'll put the black up here. So there's all the colors on the Jewel Pop. I can't wait to make a look with this. I think it'd be so awesome to do a look with Kat Von D on one side, do another like half and half, and then do this on the other. I love that this is affordable. I mean, this is normally $10, so I bought this for $5. And if you could dupe like those high-end Kat Von D looks, I think that would be freaking amazing. And I'm like trying to wipe this off, and there's a little bit of longevity there, so not mad about that. I also really like mattes because they are good for everyone, basically. I mean, I'm not going to say people with aging skin can't wear shimmers, because you totally can wear shimmers, but I know a lot of people prefer not to wear shimmers when they've got hooded eyes or aging eyes or drooping eyes, which I know a lot of you guys have. So sometimes it's nice to promote things that are more matte so you guys can enjoy them. Oh, my gray got a little cracked, but I'm gonna give it a pass. Ooh, wow. Okay. There's that gray. I'm like, what? Can you imagine the dark smoky eye with that? Those are so pigmented. Look at this blue. Let's try this blue. Oh, I knew as soon as I put that on, I was like, I'm gonna need a wipe. I like can't get this off my fingers. That's when you know it's pigmented. Okay, let's go into this green. Oh, wow. That one doesn't have shimmer. There was just a little left over from the other swatch. And Holy Smokes is a great name because that's literally what I'm thinking, like, holy smokes. Like, imagine the like green smoky eye that's just like amazing. I just, whew, exciting things, exciting things. I feel like I need to stop because I have so many things that I want to play with, and I'm trying to pan a palette. I'm like, what am I thinking? But it's super fun. I love reviewing it and let you guys know what I think. And so that is everything I got in the 50% off sale. I didn't just go hog wild and just buy things that I knew that I wouldn't ever use, or things that I'd purchased in the past just to get them on sale. I really thought consciously, like, what are things I can use? Lip exfoliator, probably need. Darker color foundation, new eyeshadows that I haven't tried. So those were all wins for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short and sweet haul. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!